Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know how long does it take for a Macquarie's credit card application to be approved. So according to the Macquarie's credit card application can be approved within certain period of time. So to understand this clearly, you can just go to the link that is macquarie.com.au/everydaybanking, the official page, and here you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and over here you should be able to find this section as additional information. So right over here, you can see that approval is subject to Macquarie's credit card criteria and sustainability assessment. The terms and conditions apply and are available upon request. The fees and charges apply up to 10 working days to process your application. So as you can see that they've already mentioned that it might take 10 working days when they've actually completed with your credit card, and it should be mailed on your doorstep. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.